How's it going? I'm Kyle, and this is the SB7J grown here in Pex Pepper's garden. Let's see if I can actually handle it. Ooh, hot right off the bat. Has good flavor. Instant burn on the lips. As soon as I swallowed, death. Yeah, that is really hot. Ooh.
Is it building?
Yes, it is building a lot. I was fine until I swallowed it. Can't really tell you what it tastes like. Trying. But my mouth hurts.
Is it like what kind of pain? Like stabby or
Yeah.
or like soldering iron?
Little bit of stabby in the throat, more soldering iron in the mouth.
You getting the hiccups?
Not yet.
Alright, well, we will return when he's fully able to talk. And yeah, that's the SB7J.
So I survived the pepper. It was completely fine while I was chewing it. The moment I swallowed it, it was instant heat. It kept building. My tongue is still currently sizzling, it feels like. Overall, it had a nice, solid, peppery flavor. I'd give that one the hottest pepper I personally have ever ate. 8 out of 10 on flavor, that's for sure.
What about heat?
Yeah. Heat?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 10 out of 10, if not more. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, way hot. Huh?
That was the SB7J pepper.
That was the SB7J that I just ate. Mean looking pepper.
Oh yeah. But that's about it, guys. He survived and did a great job.
Survived the best I could.
See ya.